What's the meaning of covertly? Covertly. Covertly.
Covertly. Covertly. Covertly means to do something in a secretive or undercover manner, not intended to be noticed or to attract attention. This can refer to actions or behaviors that are sneaky, hidden, or disguised. The purpose of doing something covertly is usually to avoid detection or to achieve a goal without drawing attention to oneself. The result of covert actions can be both positive and negative, depending on the intentions and outcomes. Covert activities can range from espionage and intelligence gathering to personal relationships and business dealings.